It's about, well, you guys probably know what it is. I already did one, but I want to try and do them in order.
This is Google Home. When you get one, you might start to feel like a celebrity with a personal assistant. Because you can say stuff like, okay, Google, put milk on my shopping list, or turn off the lights. Who do you think you are? Well, you're just a very important regular person with an assistant.
I'll be back after the ad, okay? I have met date with Markiplier. Tyler, Ethan.
Oh, hi. I've got something for you. A rose. Oh, thank you.
This makes me...
Bonjour. Bonsoir.
What the
So
heck?
Have we met? Must be destiny. Oh, good year. I can't wait to get to know you. But it feels like I might have. Oh. Feels like I might have.
I feel bad for this part, like with the cake.
Oh my. Okay. Either way, I can't wait to see what this date has in store.
Oh, what?
So who's gonna pay for this?
Oh, I'm gonna feel so bad if I don't pay. I have to pay, guys. I'm going to do it. I'm going to do this like 2 times.
Thank you.
Oh my god. Thank God.
Okay. All right then. Great. I appreciate that. Hi. Okay. I've got more of this date to show you. We've got this awesome
I want to get the
place.
Darkiplier
It's going to
ending,
be
okay?
incredible. Come with me. Hey, come on. We're gonna be late for the play. Hop on in. I'll take you there.
Oh man, I've heard such great things about this play. I cannot wait. You're going to love it. It's absolutely... Oh! Bonjour!
Welcome to the theater!
Oh, it is so unbelievably good. I
Really
cannot wait
trying
for
to
this.
be
I just wanted to
frank.
say, thanks so much for coming out with me. I mean, you're beautiful, you're handsome.
Bonjour! Bonjour!
Bonjour.
Oh, snacks! I know we just ate, but I mean, if you wanted a snack for the play.
You didn't eat.
Anyway, popcorn. Bonjour. Bonjour. Hey, you want some popcorn? Here you go. How about some for me? Okay.
Oh my god. So crazy.
Oh, this is perfect. We've got 2 plays to choose from. Do we see the romance,
You're out.
love too soon, or the horror, the dark?
I'm a horror fan
I've actually never
myself,
seen this play
so
before. I don't
horror.
even know who made it,
Plus,
so
that's a
could be a fun
Darkiplier
adventure.
ending.
Let's give it a try. Good luck.
Really, Tyler.
Oh, okay, all right. Bonjour. Anyway, I don't know if I've mentioned this before, but I'm a patron of the arts, and I certainly love new theaters, new plays, new artistes. You know, it all just stokes the embers in my soul. Anyway, I hope this is a good one, and any chance to spend more time with you is good.
Oh, I'm sorry for laughing. This must have taken forever. It's so cringy. I laugh when I'm nervous or weirded out. Oh, I'm sorry for laughing.
I've been waiting a long time to see you again. I've been pushed aside, replaced, mocked.
Well, that's not nice, being
And
mocked.
then he had the gall to not invite me to his little adventure with you. No more. Never again, that's right.
Hold on. I don't mean to pause it, but mocking people or being mocked, it's not fun. I don't mock people, but people mock me, like my brother, and it's not fun. It's really not. So I kind of feel bad for Dark. And also, I've done this before, so I kind of know what to expect. Because I'm going the same route I did the first time. Okay?
I've been waiting patiently. He promised he would let me in again. I'm tired of giving people a choice. But I suppose I can give you one last option. Take your pick. Anything from 4 different choices, more than he had ever given you. And let's see how far down this rabbit hole really goes. So take your pick.
I forget where it is all the time.
Good choice. But why do we need to choose in life? If dinner is what you want, well, I can provide. And I can take you wherever you'd like to go. I can especially take you to the places that you don't want to go. It's exciting. Knowing that there are endless possibilities waiting for you. I can give you anything.
I like how Darkiplier is like a fancy and gentleman version of Mark. I'm not saying that Mark is a gentleman, but still.
Now that we are here together, we can really get to know each other. You just need to let me in. It's as simple as that. You're never, ever going to escape. Not now. What the hell? You come from see how you fight with a bag over your head. You can play that game, mister.
He has a piece of paper over his head. You really had to do that?
I got it. Shoot him now, please. Shoot him now, right now, please.
But I know who it. I know who's who. But I want to shoot Mark. But Dark, Mark. God, no. Oh no, sorry, Mark. I know this is Dark. I know this is Dark.
It's okay.
I meant to do it. It's not the wrong choice. I meant to do Dark.
Okay? You had to kill
Oh
somebody.
God.
I feel
I
so
meant not
bad.
to kill Dark.
But,
Oh no.
hey, it's okay.
feel
We're
so
here now.
bad.
We can continue the day with some ice cream. Bonjour. Bonjour. Two, please.
Yeah,
It's going
because
to be all
he
right.
gets
Just
vanilla and I
relax.
get chocolate.
Enjoy
That's
some
how I know
nice
it's Darkiplier.
dairy-based treats and get to know each other.
Oh
Really,
no.
personally.
I
go
feel
ahead.
so bad. I'm not trying. I just feel bad for not choosing Mark in a video that he made. Well, I've seen people play it before, so I know kind of all the endings. I don't know how to get all the endings. I know some of the endings. I'm gonna not pay. Oh, I bet he gets chopped. His head gets chopped off. Bonjour.
Bonjour, your table
Bonjour.
awaits.
Don't know how to speak French.
Oh, hi. I've got something for you. A rose.
No, I'm not going through this cringiness
Oh,
again. I'm sorry.
Oh, a deadbeat, huh? We know just what to do with deadbeats.
Just wait. This is a misunderstanding. Help, please, a little bit. I'm sorry.
You want to join your boyfriend, do you? Well, come on.
What?
Now, I'm going to show you what I do to deadbeats.
Should have paid.
I did not expect this to happen. I had a very nice date planned with a lot of cliches and some feel-good stories to it, but I did not expect this. It's not my fault.
You don't like paying your bills, do you?
I want to reiterate, I do like paying my bills. I have a very high credit score with a lot of good remarks.
Well, I'm going to show you what we do to people that don't pay their bills. You know what happened to the last guy that didn't pay his bill?
No.
Neither did he.
I don't quite understand that one, but I just want to say, if you can just let me go to my home, I will get my wallet.
Shut the fuck up!
I will pay my bill gladly.
Bumpy ass. 10 and 2. 10 and 2.
Don't attack. What? Don't attack.
You're right. Bad idea. Okay, all right then.
We're here.
What
Where
the
is
heck?
here? Why
Why-
is here?
Why would you even keep doing that?
Look, this is all just a
So much
misunderstanding. I'm
violence.
sure that I can.
You're the main ingredient.
What does that
Hey,
even
what?
mean? I mean, what am I
What?
supposed
Should I
to-
hit attack?
Get over here.
Ridiculous.
There's plenty of room for two in the pot.
What?
Get in there.
There's a skeleton.
Stay there. You're on tomorrow's menu.
What did
We gotta get out of here. We gotta find something that can help us escape.
I do? Wow, you
Let me see
just...
what's in your pants. Ow, okay. All right then, fine.
God, why would you think that?
Oh, when you know it, found my wallet. Anyway, there's gotta be something here that we can use to
Oh my
escape.
God.
Ooh, I can take this paper. Thank you very much. This rose. You're so sweet. Okay. And this rock. Okay, so if we take this with the handcuffs that I was put in, if we mix them all together, we just need some sort of adhesive. I got it. Yes!
How the
There's no
flip?
service. We gotta find a way
How
to get
did
out of
that
here. He's
work?
gonna come back and he's probably gonna kill and eat us. So this concrete doesn't seem too thick. We could probably try to dig our way out of here.
Oh my God, no,
Or
this.
we could try to pick that lock. I'm not sure which one would be faster. I was a championship digger in my school. I won state.
Pick the
Never tried to pick a
freaking
lock before. I don't know. This could be risky either way. I don't think we got a lot of time. You gotta decide.
freaking God. Picking a lock. I've never done it, but it
Good idea.
seems so easy.
I've never picked a lock before. I don't even have a lock pick. Wait, maybe if I use this,
Oh.
I might be able to get through there. But I've never done this before.
That's
Got it. Okay, follow me.
That's not
Very quiet.
That's not real.
Wait. All right, come on. Follow me
What?
and stay low and be quiet. We have no idea where he is. Hang on. Let me put on my sneaking shoes. That's better. Low. Real.
That's not sneaking. I know how to sneak. I do it all the time around my house. I think you should have went barefoot, Mark. Not very smart. Shh.
I think we should split up.
Wow.
No, not break up. No way. This date is going wonderfully. I think maybe if we split up, we'll cover more ground.
I think we should.
What do you think?
Oh,
You can go that
no.
way.
Stay together. No,
All right, what
I'm
do you
not
say?
having him get
You
killed.
first.
Surprise! Looks like the rat got out of the cage. I told you I'd fix you, deadbeat.
Oh crap!
Surprise!
I hit
Looks
him
like the
twice.
rat got out of the cage. I told you I'd fix you, deadbeat.
I hit it. I can't.
Looks like the rat got out of the cage. I
I'm
told you
gonna
I'd fix
kill
you.
this guy. I can't. Oh, I have to hit at the right moment. I don't want to go through this bullcrap.
Holy shit! Oh my God. Well, anyway, come on. I think we can get out of here now, and maybe even continue the date. Hey, if we have time, maybe we can even see the play. Yeah, I had a great day in store until I, unfortunately, misplaced my wallet. But maybe there's a way out of here. Oh, hey, wait.
Oh, I kind of know this ending.
There's an exit. We can go. Come on. What are you waiting for? Come on. There's an exit right here. We can go. We can continue the date. We can see. Good idea. We got a whole date in store for us. Oh, freedom. Let me see what's in your pants.
Oh.
Ow. Okay. All right then. Fine.
Huh? Huh?
Oh, when you know it, found my wallet. Anyway, there's got to be something here that we can use. to
What
escape.
the heck?
I can take this paper. Thank you very much. This rose. You're so sweet. Okay. And this rock. Okay. So if we take this with the handcuffs that I was put in, if we mix them all together, we just need some sort of adhesive. I got it. Yes.
What the heck?
Ah, there's no service.
I picked
We gotta find a way to
exit.
get out of here.
I'm gonna.
He's gonna come him back, and he's probably...
I don't understand. I pickaxed it. But I'm going to make another video right after this. And then I'm going to upload them. Okay? So if you guys like the video, leave a like, comment down in the section below what I should do next. I'm going to try and get all the endings before, because like I've never gotten all the endings. I don't understand this one. So bye guys.